Good evening. We begin tonight in Cabot, where the school district is one of dozens in the state requiring staff and students to mask up again this year. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Marlisa Goldsmith.
And I'm Rolly Hoyt. Now, Cabot is among a couple districts heading to court over that decision. THV 11's Frederick Price joins us live outside the courthouse, where a group of parents made their case.
Yeah, Rolly, parents, the superintendent, and lawyers argued over the heated debate on whether or not masks can be mandated inside of the Cabot public schools. Now, the hearing lasted about 2 hours here at the Lonoke County Courthouse, and about 8 parents were here to express their disagreement with the school's decision. Now, 3 parents took the stand to say this mandate simply violates their parental rights. One person even says that one of her children has a disability, and requiring them to wear a mask would violate the 504 plan that protects people with disabilities from discrimination. Another big argument made from those opposing the requirement is that requiring masks it affects their children mentally. The superintendent, Tony Thurman, says they are just following the recommended guidelines.
Students need to be at school on site, and as long as the guidelines are as they say, that we need kids there, then we feel like face coverings are the best way to go, because it does eliminate a large number of probable close contacts.
Now, something both sides argued are exemptions, medical and religious exemptions, I should say. Before the lawsuit was created, Superintendent Tony Thurman says the school board met in an emergency session and board members chose a 30-day policy for that mask requirement. Before that meeting, only a medical exemption was required. After that meeting on Friday the 13th, the district began to accept religious exemptions for parents that provide written documents. As of now, they will not be granting any more of those exemptions for parents. Dr. Thurman says he wanted an outcome today from the judge, but he is happy that she is taking her time to look over the arguments from both sides. Now, the judge actually dismissed today around 3, and she's expected to enter in her orders tomorrow. Dr. Thurman says after that announcement, he'll know what direction the district will be going in. Live in Lonoke, Frederick Price, THV 11 News.
Thanks so much, Frederick. Tonight, the Arkansas Department of Health is reporting more than 3,300 active cases in public schools across the state. Cabot reporting the highest number of active cases in central Arkansas with 107. Bentonville, Springdale, Rogers, and Fort Smith school districts round out the top 5, each with more than 100 active COVID-19 cases. There are 404 active cases in colleges and 66 in private schools.